Hi, this is the OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings and tap to the Wi-Fi section. Here you'll see Wi-Fi switcher, click on it to activate Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just tap on the network and here you should enter the password. To see the password you should tap to this eye icon. After that, just tap on the right upper corner to OK, and now we could see the message that our device successfully connected to this network. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just we should open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. Also like on the switcher. And after the activating of the Wi-Fi, you will see here all of the available networks. You could use them here or to tap to more to open full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.